Bangkok is one of the most elite food capitals to ever exist. Highly acclaimed chefs come from all over the world just to set up shop here, and today we even have the pleasure of meeting one of the greatest. Brandon Orange is the owner of the mouth-watering southern restaurant chain Qulture. Come with me as he showcases his new location, opening up this Friday, April 3rd.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dmark. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today, I really have a treat for you guys. I'm here with the owner and founder of Qulture, one of the most amazing restaurants here in Thailand. He's bringing it from Pattaya here to Bangkok City. Hey, Brandon, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir, man. What's up, Dmark, man? I appreciate you for having me on your channel. Much love. Yes, my name is Brandon Orange. I am the owner and creator of Qulture, the #1 American Southern style brunch in Thailand. We originated from Pattaya, but now we're finna bring this culture to Bangkok.
That's so amazing, man. I really appreciate you giving us the opportunity to come check out what you're actually building.
Yes.
So guys, right now he's doing his renovations. And when do you actually open here in Bangkok?
So we'll be opening the first week of April, and we'll be having a special treat come out as my family, Akeem Ali, one of the tightest rappers in the game. So he'll be gracing his presence for our grand opening to set it off, bring a great experience. It'll be April the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. You have to book a reservation. But after that, we got a surprise treat. We got another celebrity coming the next following week. So stay tuned, and it's gonna be fire.
Bro, you going crazy. I want to say, first off, you're really an inspiration to a lot of the entrepreneurs out here. And I just want to say thank you for everything you're doing for the community. And let's go see what you're building.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get it.
Ooh. Right, you can go ahead, my G.
So now we are walking in. This is going to be the cafe area. As you know, in Pattaya, we have the cafe, which is our breakfast and brunch that is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we also have the dinner and cocktails, and that's open from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. So I'm going to bring the same concept here to Bangkok, which is going to be the cafe, which we're standing in right now, which is on the first level. And then we're gonna walk up to the cocktail bar on the second level.
So they're both in the same building here in Bangkok.
Yes, sir.
Watch yourself. Still building. Still building.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I see. This is getting it together already, though.
Yes, sir. So we're walking up to the second level, which will be the concept, as I said, we have in Pattaya, which is the cocktail bar.
Oh,
So
oh my
we'll be
goodness.
bringing the mixologists and many more mixologists for this area too, to set it off. Because we not only want to have the best food, we want to have the best drinks.
Right, right.
So that's one thing that I really take to heart and the passion. I want to have the total package, the total experience.
Man, I have
Not just the vibe, not just the food, not just the drinks, but also the service too.
Right.
So that's one thing. We want to combine everything, and that's actually been the key to the success of Qulture.
Yeah, I was about to say, I've been to your spots. I've had the food. I've had the drinks. I've seen the service, and I can
Yes.
attest to it.
Yes.
It's actually immaculate.
Yes, sir.
You feel what I'm saying? I want to say, this is not no paid promo. I just felt honored to come talk to this man, to allow him to be on my channel, bro. So
Yes,
just
sir.
thank you. Like, I just want to say, so everything authentic when it comes to this food, when it comes to this service, when it comes to what he's building out here, y'all. When you come to Bangkok, the first American Southern place you need to go try is Qulture Cafe. All right, man, let's go.
Let's get it. So we'll be walking up to the 3rd floor right now. So like I said, this is the 2nd floor, the cocktail bar. The 3rd floor will be almost kind of like a VIP style. The 3rd and 4th floor will be our VIP style. We'll be having our exhibition style kitchen. So those who wish to dine up here and watch us cook, watch myself cook, we'll be having that. Also,
What?
yeah, right. Also, what's big on display is going to be this waterfall. So the waterfall is, we have a rainforest waterfall that's going to create the ambiance and almost the focal point of the 3rd and 4th floor.
Man, I can't wait to see these before and
Hold on,
after
hold on.
pictures here.
This waterfall, I really love waterfalls. And I like how Thailand has a natural forestry. And that's what I love about Thailand, like Chiang Mai and different other regions of Thailand. So I kind of wanted to bring that inside, bring the natural inside too. And you'll be able to sit by and enjoy this while we cook.
Yeah, that's
Come on,
hard.
that way.
That's hard. They really gonna be able to see you doing your thing with the French toast, the steak, all that.
Exactly. So
Bro,
you'll be able to
that in
see all
itself is an experience.
Yep.
Wow.
Hey, can I get the kitchen and make some mac and cheese for me? Yeah, are you making already? Oh, they didn't already got you hot. They didn't already got you ready. Wow.
Oh, gotta get.
Let's go and get it in here.
Oh
Get some
my
mac and cheese.
goodness.
So we have been creating our recipes and refining them. So this is our mac and cheese. Let me get a spoon for you
It's refined. Oh,
so you can try it out.
oh my
Get the
god.
fork or the spoon, whatever
For
you
real?
want. Yes, sir. Go and get into it.
Sawadee-ka. Kapuna-ka. Hold on, nah, I need that cheese pull. Oh. What is all in this? 3
You
cheeses?
already know.
Short cheddar. Short cheddar. I got cheese. I got cheese. I got cheese. That's amazing.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, and we still got some refining to do. Like I said, I'm trying to teach all my staff and bring those recipes that we have in Pattaya down here to Bangkok. Yeah, go and get you some more of that.
Thank you so much. Mac and cheese.
Yes,
Man,
sir.
that's amazing.
Yes, sir. I
Thank
appreciate it. Man, I appreciate you.
That's so creamy, so cheesy, so delicious. Kapun ka.
Kapun kap, thank you.
Mac and cheese.
So now we're gonna go to the 4th floor.
Dang, so you got all kind of floors up
Yes,
in here.
sir. So the 4th floor will be our VIP floor. As I said, you'll have access to this too. It's a little dark up here. I don't know, they don't have lights. But the 4th floor,
back.
this will be almost like a couch area, like our
Okay.
home. We'll have our TV up here.
And the
then the
waterfall.
waterfall right here. as
Nah,
well.
that's crazy.
Yes, sir.
This whole wall this is crazy.
Yeah.
This is a vibe. How do you think of that? What made you think of the waterfall?
For one, I love waterfalls, and I wanted it on the 1st floor.
Uh-huh.
But my contractor was saying it would be best to bring it up from the ceiling and make it a rainforest.
He ain't lie to you.
From the 4th floor to the 3rd floor. And to where now it creates a whole different ambiance
Man,
for these 2 floors.
I ain't seen nothing like that.
No, they ain't got nothing like this in no restaurant.
Bro, they ain't got it like this.
Nothing like this in no restaurant.
It's different.
Yeah, different.
Culture different.
And then we'll have our VIP conference rooms.
Okay.
So you
Where
that's what
people
I
can
was
come
saying.
work.
Yes, sir.
Bro,
So you'll
I
have
need-
access to that.
Bro, I really
Then what's
need
gonna
that.
be crazy is that's gonna be a secret room.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna be you ain't gonna even know it's a room.
For real.
It's gonna have a bookshelf and open it up. Yeah.
Speak easy vibes.
There you go.
Oh, bro,
There you
you
go.
bringing the speak easy to
Yeah.
culture?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro, do you realize, bro, you know how many like industries and competitive, like how many people you can touch with all these different things you putting in here?
Exactly, and that's my point, is trying to hit all the different demographics, all the different areas for my content creators. And like I was saying to you before, I really appreciate everybody, all you all. I always try to make time out. I don't care if you're on the lower level of content creator or on the high level. I try to make time out for everybody.
Yeah.
And it really means a lot, because without you all, I couldn't even be on this level. So I think that is very important for me, and to also give you all space to be creative and showcase your skills, and then really kind of bring it all together, and then also you're showcasing kind of what I'm trying to bring to the community.
Yeah, bro, it's just a cohesive relationship, mutually,
that way.
a mutually beneficial thing. You helping us, we helping you, and we just
Exactly.
going up together, and that's
You
what I
feel
love.
me? And that's what it's about, bringing something that is also showing the world of how we are and how talented we are, and how if you give us an opportunity and give us a space and location, as I always say, that's why I was really a stickler about being at this location,
Right.
on the corner of Sukhumvit 47, in between BTS station Prong Pong and Thonglor.
Yeah.
You know, we're in the heart of Bangkok. And so I'm grateful for this opportunity that the owners have gave me, and we finna set it off.
Yes,
For real.
I see the vision.
Yeah.
I see the vision.
That is the vision.
and
You're
it's a
right.
grand. Man, going crazy. So Brandon, you currently have 3 locations, 2 in Pattaya, 1 here in Bangkok.
Yes, sir.
Are you planning on expanding?
At the moment, right now, no. We're gonna focus on Bangkok. We really wanna make this the focal point and make sure this is the flagship. And I don't want to spread myself too thin. You know, a lot of times people grow the brand or grow your concept a little too fast, and then you lose the authenticity of what is going on.
That's true.
And so I don't want people saying, "Oh, I went to, then they fell off." I don't want to hear none of that. So we're gonna focus and make sure we bring out the best product, the best possible service, everything. We want everything to be tight. So, and I don't want to spread myself too thin as well, as far as being access to the customers, because I'm always here on site.
Right.
So it's really, really very important.
Yeah, I totally understand that, and that makes perfect sense. What are the hours of operations here?
So the hours of operation here will be a little similar to Pattaya. Like I said, we'll just be bringing the concepts together. It will be from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. So as I said, the breakfast and brunch in Pattaya, the cafe is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The dinner and cocktails is open from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. So this one is going to be the combination of both from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. and 365 days a week, Monday through Sunday.
That's amazing. You making sure everybody is getting service with everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love that. Appreciate that, dude.
Man, all love, baby.